Now, children, can you think why Gappu could see the cheese on the jug but Chinky could not? Now, children, Gappu was near the ceiling, so he was having top view, and Chinky, she was on the table and she had side view. Side view. So Chinky could not see the cheese, but Gappu, he could see the cheese because he has a bigger view. So children, that is why Gappu could see the cheese on the jug, but Chinky could not. Now, just then, a strong wind pushed the balloon out of the room. Now, Gappu was outside the house and he was going up and up. The balloon flew up and Gappu started going up in the sky. As he looked down, he could see his house. Now, when I ran around in my house, it looked so big, but from here it looks small. How is that? Now, when Gappu is on the land, he could see, he could find the house very big, but now he is up on in the sky, then he is looking that house very small. Now, Now, as he went higher, he could see things around his house, the park, the Gurdwara, the railway line, a sweet shop, and Suhasini's house with the big water tank on its roof. Now, children, Gurdwara, are you able to see Gurdwara? Now, who worship in Gurdwara? Sikh worships in Gurdwara and Hindus worship in temple and Muslim worship in mosque and Christian worship in church. So Gurdwara is there and Suhasini house is there. One big water tank on her house roof. Now sweet shop is also there. Sweet shop, and what Gappu is saying. Now, who is that on the railway track? Railway track is there. You see railway track. Now, is it that fat cat Monty? Ha ha ha. From here, it looks like a big white mouse. Now, on the track, it is not visible big fat Monty. So, in next picture, we will see Monty, big fat cat. Now, I did not know there is a sweet shop here. Yummy. Now, sweet shop is also there, and Gappu Mouse, he wants to eat sweets. Imagine how your classroom looks from above. Try to draw it. This is also an activity. Now you will draw your classroom from above and mark the benches, blackboard, doors and windows, etc. Now, at your home you will do it. Now, the balloon went up, up and up. Gappu kept wondering how big the world is. Now he could see lots of houses, streets, roads, and buses. Now Gappu is very high in the sky and he could see small, small houses, small, small people. So now, wow, is that the train looking like a long box from here? Now you see the train, it is looking like a long box from above. These cars and buses look so small from here, just like toys, and people look like ants. Now, people are looking like ants, and all cars, buses are looking like a toy car and toy buses. Now, suddenly there was a loud sound. Fought. The balloon burst and started falling down, down, and everything started looking bigger and bigger. Thup! Gappu fell on the railway track. Now children, who was on the railway track? I told you, on the railway track a big fat Monty was there. So what Gappu has done now? He ran to save himself from the cruel Monty, who ran after Gappu and the other rats on the railway track. Now we can easily see the Monty fat cat and other mouse also we can see. When Gappu saw the railway track from above, it looked like this. Now see, two parallel lines we are seeing. Two parallel lines. You know parallel lines, they have proper distance and they run. Now children, but when he fell on the track, the railway line looked like this. When he fell on the railway track, the railway line looked like this, wide from near by and narrow from the far side. It is looking narrow. Oh, things look so different when you look at them from the top and from the side. Now, look at these pictures and discuss why things look wide and big at the end but narrow and small at the other end. When we are near and when we are standing on the railway track, we see these railway lines are looking narrow from far side, and these are looking very wide from the near side. These candle row also, these are looking very wide from near side, and these are looking very narrow from far side. Now match two views of the same pose. Now this is a top view of a girl in yoga pose. Only one of the photos below is the correct match of the same yoga pose. Mark it. Now children, first picture is matching with that picture because she is using right hand. She is stretching her right hand. So first picture is matching with that picture. Thank you.